Next is applications of Ampere's circuital law. The first application is magnetic field near a long straight current carrying conductor. Magnetic field near a long straight current carrying conductor. Long straight current carrying conductor means it's an infinite current carrying conductor. And it is a 3 marks question which is being asked in your board. So let us consider a long straight current carrying conductor carrying current I in upward direction. Okay, let us consider a long straight current carrying conductor or infinite current carrying conductor carrying current I in upward direction. Let us consider a point. Let us consider a point. Let us say it is P, which is r distance from the conductor. Which is r distance from the conductor. And at this point, we are going to find the net magnetic field due to the long straight current carrying conductor. ठीक है? Imagine say if a current carrying conductor carrying current in upward direction or a wire carrying current in upward direction, it produces magnetic field that is circular in nature. So that means at this point the magnetic field due to the long straight current carrying conductor must be circular. So to use this Ampere's circuital law, we have to use a Ampere's loop or a closed line. So let us consider a closed line in the form of a circle. Closed line in the form of a circle encircling the current carrying conductor. Again, let us consider a closed line in the form of a circle of radius r encircling the current carrying conductor. So at this point we can say the magnetic field is circular and the Ampere's line or the closed line is also circular. Okay. Again, let us consider this circle in anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction circulation of positive assume correlation. So this is the cross-sectional view. If this is the current carrying conductor and this is the cross-sectional view. So let us use Ampere's circuital law. That is B dot dl is equal to, that is mu naught I net. So for using this Ampere's circuital law, let us consider a small length dl. So since the circulation is anti-clockwise, the direction of this dl is along this direction, and let us assume the magnetic field produced by this current carrying conductor is in anti-clockwise direction. So that means if it is in anti-clockwise direction, so at every point of the circle the magnetic field is along the tangent. So that means at this point the magnetic field is along this tangent. So that means dl and b will have same direction. So every point the magnetic field will be along this tangent, and the strength of magnetic field at every point of the circle will be constant. Since we have taken the magnetic field, the straight current carrying conductor carrying current that is in upward direction, it will be positive as per this assumption. Upward direction current flow is positive. If the current is flowing downward or into the plane of the paper, it is negative. Out of the plane of the paper or upward direction, it is positive. तो जब हम use करिवा, this becomes mu naught. Total enclosed current is I, and which is positive also. And the angle between this B and DL is 0. तो इटी कौन होगा? That is BDL cos 0. ठीक है. So this is B is constant. Integration of DL cos 0 is 1 is equal to, that is mu naught I. ठीक है. तो total integration of this DL is the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle is, that is 2 pi r. So this is B into 2 pi r is equal to, that is mu naught I. So B is how much? That is mu naught I by 2 pi r. ठीक है. So that means ET B is equal to, or the net magnetic field due to the long straight current carrying conductor at r distance from it is mu naught I by 2 pi r. ठीक है. And second thing is the value of B is positive. So that means हमें जो assume करते हैं, the direction of magnetic field, that is anti-clockwise direction, is also same, or we can say assumed direction is same as that of the direction जोटा कि आसिला हमारा. ठीक है. तो B is mu naught I by 2 pi r, and the direction is anti-clockwise in direction. Next is solenoid. So what is a solenoid? So we can say solenoid is a wire which is wound in the form of a helix, or a conducting wire in the form of a spring. So the diagram of a solenoid is shown in this figure, which is connected with a battery. And the wires of the solenoid are coated with the insulating material. The wires of the solenoid is coated with an insulating material. So that means even if the two wires are physically close, but they are electrically insulated from each other. ठीक है. So when current flows in a solenoid, the cross-sectional view of the solenoid is this. So we can say this is a solenoid which is wound like a spring. ठीक है. So that means when current flows through it, तो A जगह it is, the current is outward, A जगह downward, and this lower portion it is inward. ठीक है. And back portion it is upward. यदि हमें फ्रंट व्यू देखिबा, तो in this, तो A सो जगह रे the current is outward, so which is shown in this figure. The current in the wire in outward direction. ठीक है. And lower portion the current is in inward direction, which is shown in this. So these are the current which are flowing in inward direction. Visual. So that means this is the cross-sectional view of a solenoid, and these are the currents, or the current flowing in the wire in outward direction. E जगह रे. And this E जगह रे the current is moving into the plane of the paper, into the plane, so which is represented by this. So these are the currents. ठीक है. Current flowing in the wire, and the current is moving inward, and E जगह it is outward. ठीक है. And when current flows through it, it produces magnetic field around itself. यदि गोटे single loop नवा, the magnetic field produced by the current loop or circular current carrying conductor is shown in this figure. तो current होची, that is clockwise direction current flow करची. तो if you see A portion को देखिबा, the current is inward direction. जो current यदि inward होची, magnetic field कौन होगा? That is clockwise. तो A जगह रे the current is outward direction. तो magnetic field कौन होगा? That is anti-clockwise. ठीक है. Let us consider a solenoid carrying current, which is shown in this figure. The current in the solenoid is in clockwise direction. ठीक है. So let us consider two circular current carrying conductor carrying current in the same direction as the two loops of the solenoid. Again, consider two circular current carrying conductor carrying current I similar to the two loops of the solenoid. So एटी clockwise अछि, एटी मध्य current clockwise अछि. If you do the magnetic field produced by the two circular current carrying conductors, हमें देखिवा at the central portion or the middle portion or inner portion the magnetic field is straight. यदि first loop देखिवा, first conductor देखिवा, तो in the upper portion the magnetic field is in this direction. Second conductor जो देखिवा, the magnetic field is in this direction. तो इटी मध्य same thing, this direction. तो यदि if the two loops carrying current are very close to each other, so if they are very close to each other, the two magnetic field will cancel. So that means A portion में magnetic field रहिबो नहीं. The magnetic field will only remain inside the two loops. बुझलो? तो just like this, if the wires of the solenoid are very close to each other, are wound very close to each other, there will be no magnetic field at these portions and these portions. So that means we can say if the wires of the solenoid are very close to each other, there will be no magnetic field outside. There will be no magnetic field outside of the solenoid. The magnetic field will only be present inside the solenoid. If I say if the two loops are loosely or there is some distance, if the two current carrying loops are some distance apart, so then the two magnetic field will be added, which is shown in this figure. Again, if the two loops carrying current are some distance apart, then we can say this magnetic field will be added at the central part, which is shown in this figure. So that means if the two loops are slightly or some distance apart, so there will be magnetic field inside as well as outside. बाहरी magnetic field होगा, भीतरी magnetic field होगा. So from this we can say if the wires of the solenoid are loosely bound, so it will produce magnetic field both inside and outside, which is shown in this figure. So the magnetic field is produced inside as well as outside of the solenoid. If the wires of the solenoid are loosely wound, so this is the sectional view. So ET current जाको inward outward अच्छु, ET currents are inward, ET outward, and this is inward here. And magnetic field it is straight अच्छु just like this, and बाहर है this in this direction. ET मतलब, ठीक है? Again I am saying, when the two circular current carrying conductor carrying current are very close to each other, then at the middle point, the two magnetic field will cancel each other at this position. So that means there will be no magnetic field at this position, Just like that, when the wires of a solenoid are very close to each other or they are tightly wound, so there will be no magnetic field at these positions, or we can say there will be no magnetic field outside of the solenoid. The magnetic field only be produced inside, which is shown in this figure. So there will be no magnetic field outside. The magnetic field will be produced inside the solenoid when current flows through the solenoid. So this is the sectional view in which the magnetic field at the central part is in this direction, and these are the currents. ET current outward direction also. So these are the currents in outward direction. ET current, the currents are moving inward. So these are the currents in inward direction. Next is the second application of Ampere's circuit law, and that is calculation of magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid. Again, calculation of magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid. So for that, consider a closely wound long solenoid. Consider a closely wound long solenoid. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କହୁଛେ closely wound long solenoid, so closely wound means the magnetic field inside the solenoid is present, but there is no magnetic field outside the solenoid. Just let us discuss color. If the wires of the solenoid are closely wound, there is no magnetic field outside. Magnetic field is present inside the solenoid. So this is the sectional view of the solenoid, closely wound solenoid, and the magnetic field is present inside. There is no magnetic field outside, and these are the currents. The current is flowing outward here, and the current is moving inward here. Let us consider small n is the number of turns per unit length of this solenoid. Number of turns per unit length of this solenoid. To find the magnetic field inside the solenoid, let us consider a Ampere's loop in the form of a square of length L. Let us consider a loop. Let us consider a square loop in the form of Ampere's loop. Let the length of the square is small l. Let the length of the square is L. And now we will use Ampere's circuit law to find the magnetic field inside. That is B dot dl is equal to mu naught I net. Let us assume the Ampere's loop in the form of a square of length L in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise circulation positive nature. Okay. After that, जेतोळे हमें close integral of B dot dl कहूचे, तो it can be divided into four paths. It can be divided into four paths, that is from A to B, B to C, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. C to D plus D to A. ठीक है, लिखिए दो, that is B dot dl. This is B dot dl. This is also, and this is B dot dl. After that, individually हमें find करिए the line integration along each path. ठीक है, तो जितने हमें A to B B dot dl करिए along the path A to B, let us consider a small length dl. So that means dl or direction जो पटे magnetic field or direction मतलब same direction. ठीक है, so that means angle between the magnetic field and the small length is 0. Again, magnetic field direction जो पटे dl or direction is same. So that means angle between B and dl is 0. So we can say this is equal to, that is B dl cos 0, that is equal to, that is B dl. तो B is constant, बाहर कर दो dl, the total length from A to B is length L, so this is equal to B into L. ठीक है, then integration कर लिया, that is B to C B dot dl. Okay, let us consider small length dl along the path B to C. So dl direction is up, magnetic field is in this direction, so angle between them is 90. Again, dl direction is in this path or in this direction, magnetic field direction is in this direction, so angle between them is 90. So it equal, that is B to C B dl cos 90, answer is 0. Third, C to D. So C to D B dot dl. C to D रे there is no magnetic field, so B is 0, so we can say simply we can put 0 because the magnetic field outside the solenoid is 0. Okay, after that जदि आमे D to A करिबा, okay इठी कर दोछु, that is D to A, that is B dot dl. ठीक है, so it has small length dl, so dl direction is in this direction, magnetic field direction is in this direction, so angle between them is 90, so that is B dl cos 90, so 0. So that means along the path A to B, the value of line integral is B into L. Along the line B to C it is 0, from C to D it is 0, and from D to A it is also 0. That means we can write, okay, so here the value is B into L, its value is 0, its value is 0, its value is also 0. So that means B dot dl or closed line integral of magnetic field across the path which is in the form of a square is equal to B into L. So that is B dot dl is equal to B into L. ठीक है, तो ये वैल्यू टा पुट करिया इन एम्पियर सर्किट अलवा. ठीक है, so this is B dot dl is equal to BL. So it is equal to, that is mu naught. I naught is the total current that is flowing in the circuit. So the current in the loop is I. And second thing, यदि गोटे loop हमरो रहुची, so this magnetic field is proportional to the current. If the loop has n number of turns, if the loop has n number of turns, then equivalent current is equal to n into I. So it is, let us consider there are n number of turns, there is n number of turns inside this loop, inside this square loop. So equivalent current होगा n into I, n into I. Again हमें जानी चाहिए n is the number of turns per unit length, so that is equal to total number of turns divided by total length is L. ठीक है, तो n is how much? That is n into L. So we can put the value of n, that is n into L here. So that is mu naught, that is N into L into I is equal to B into L. ठीक है, तो L L cancels out, तो B is equal to that is mu naught Ni. Okay, so B is equal to mu naught Ni. So this is the value of magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid. ठीक है, तो B is equal to mu naught Ni, where N is the number of turns per unit length. ठीक है, again I am saying the magnetic field inside the long straight solenoid is mu naught Ni, where N is the number of turn per unit length. ठीक है, next is the third application of Ampere's circuit law, that is magnetic field inside a toroidal solenoid. Toroidal solenoid को हमें simply toroid भी कही परियो, तो we have to find the magnetic field inside a toroidal solenoid or simply a toroid. So what is a toroidal solenoid or a toroid? A solenoid bent in the form of a closed ring is called a toroidal solenoid. हमें solenoid चाहिए जे सेटा को bend करिकी ring structure जदि करिवा, so it is called a toroid. Again, a solenoid bent in the form of a closed ring is called a toroidal solenoid. ठीक है, so this is the figure of a toroid or toroidal solenoid. So let us consider a ring, non-conducting ring. This is a non-conducting ring. ठीक है, और in the non-conducting ring let us wind a conducting wire. Let us wind a conducting wire on it, and conducting wire closely on it. This is important. We will wind a conducting wire very closely on the non-conducting ring. यदि हमें when we wound the wires, conducting wires very closely in the form of a structure, in the form of a ring, so we will get a toroid. And when the wires are very closely wound, then just like the solenoid, there will be no magnetic field outside the toroid, but there will be magnetic field inside the toroid. This is important. When we take the wires or when we wound the wires very closely in the toroid, there will be no magnetic field outside the toroid, but there will be magnetic field inside the toroid. The magnetic field will be in circular in nature. It is straight thila, since it is close to one, so the magnetic field will be circular in nature like this. ठीक है, to find the magnetic field inside the toroid, consider a point P inside the toroid. Let that point is r distance from the center of the toroid. ठीक है, to use Ampere's circuit law, let us draw a circle at point P in the form of a Ampere's loop. Again, let us draw a circle in the form of Ampere's loop in anti-clockwise direction. ठीक है, and after that we will use Ampere's circuit law, that is B dot dl is equal to that is mu naught I net. ठीक है, let us assume the direction of magnetic field inside the toroid is also anti-clockwise direction. Again, let us assume the direction of magnetic field inside the toroid is in anti-clockwise direction. So that means the circle is also in anti-clockwise direction and the magnetic field is also in anti-clockwise direction. So let us consider a small length of the circle. So at this point magnetic field direction जोटा DL direction मध्ये same. So that means the angle between B and DL is 0. So that means we can write this is B DL cos 0. B dot DL is equal to B DL cos 0. And this is equal to, that is mu naught, the total current that is flowing inside the loop. So the current flowing in the toroid is I. If we take, there are n number of turns. यदि हमें consider करें, there are n number of turns in this toroid. The equivalent current will be Ni. ठीक है. So this is B integration of dl cos 0 is 1 is equal to, that is mu naught Ni. The integration of dl is the circumference of the circular path. So that is equal to, that is 2 pi r is equal to, that is mu naught Ni. So B is how much? That is mu naught Ni by 2 pi r. So the magnitude of magnetic field inside the toroid is mu naught Ni by 2 pi r. And the direction is anti-clockwise direction. B value positive ଅଛି, so that means the assumed direction is the direction of the magnetic field. So the magnetic field inside the toroid is mu naught Ni by 2 pi r, the direction is anti-clockwise. And we know that if n is the number of turns per unit length, then n is equal to n. The total length is length of the circumference, that is 2 pi r. So n is equal to how much? This is n into 2 pi r. So it I use kariye, that is mu naught. This is n into 2 pi r into I divided by, this is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r cancel. So this is equal to, that is mu naught Ni. So the magnetic field inside the toroid can also be written as mu naught Ni, where n is the number of turns per unit length of the toroid and I is the current that is flowing in the toroid.